If you are looking for some great night vision over glasses, definitely check these out because these are really nice. They are super stylish, which I like right off the bat, and they're really comfortable. And if when you have glasses, you don't have to have another set of glasses. You could literally be wearing your glasses and just put these over them and you will be good to go. You will notice it has like this yellow tint on it. I absolutely love that. All the glasses I get that have don't have a tint like this, you cannot tell a difference. When I have these on, it's much different than when I take these off. So I know these truly work and really like that fact about them. They also come with a carrying case right over here to keep these nice and safe. And it also comes with a cloth so you could wipe them off if you have to do that. But overall, just really like these a lot. You can see they stay on. So if you're looking for some great night vision driving glasses, definitely check these out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending these over so I could do this review.